Hello guys, today we have four type of caramel or toffee filling you can use in bonbon, for cake, for biscuit, a lot of use and some very economy. And you can see you have beautiful toffee caramel sauce. It's a dictionary, you need it for any pastry job. These two items only we make from this caramel. This is substituted toffee without cream, and here chocolate caramel toffee, again different texture. Let's start. Is only 9 minutes and you will be expert. 200 gram sugar, 30 gram butter, 200 gram milk, 12 gram corn flour, pinch of salt. In beginning, 200 gram sugar, we bring it to stove until becomes golden caramel. This caramel toffee very cheap because you don't use fresh cream, you just use normal milk. As you see, after 3 minutes start sugar caramelized. And when you caramelize sugar, sometimes you have some sugar in the side. All you need, you just bend saucepan right and left to take all sugar in the edges. This is light caramel. I wait little bit to be darken caramel. Then I pour fresh cream. I prefer, caramel is very dangerous. You must be far your face. After 1 minute, you can see the caramel change, darker, stronger. I added the butter. I mix again. When the butter dissolve, I added pinch of salt, so it will be salted caramel. It's your choice. So you can make it caramel normal, or you can add it pinch of sea salt and you have salted caramel sauce. Then 12 gram corn flour mixing with little of milk, and that combine together and make it thickener, and your sauce is ready. You can see caramel sauce becomes thickener, and then I pour in ceramic bowl. You just cover it, you don't put in the fridge. It's set after 1-2 hours. Then you can blend it if you can see some lumps. If not, you can use as it is. Here 200 ml water, 200 gram brown sugar. That's it. This is the most beautiful easy caramel sauce with 2 ingredients only. All you need to do, you leave it boil for 2 minutes only, and then you have the most beautiful caramel sauce. Just when it starts boiling, keep stirring for 2 minutes, and then you keep to cool down, and you will see very beautiful caramel topping. Here, very easy toffee, 200 gram sugar, 40 gram butter, 100 gram fresh milk, 100 gram milk powder, pinch of salt. As we do always, sugar first, 200 gram. We keep stir until caramelized. Then when it start caramelize, I added the butter. I'm mixing. This I didn't wait until the whole sugar melted. Just when it start to caramelize, I added the butter and keep continue. You can see the color is nice golden. Then I added fresh milk. I keep a while until to dissolve. Then 100 gram milk powder. And this is really rich toffee. Pinch of salt. Hand the blender and becomes very smooth. Easy toffee, and you cannot believe the taste. Hand blender help us to make any lumps smooth disappear and becomes very shiny also. Then I pour in a ramekin. Keep aside 2 hours minimum to use it. Here the wonderful taste of caramel. 200 gram sugar, 100 gram cream fresh, 150 gram white chocolate, 45 gram butter, pinch of salt. Butter with fresh cream I just reheat up, then I remove aside to keep it warm. Then I bring only sugar to caramelized. And as I show you in the beginning, if you have sugar in the side, you just bend it right or left to melt it all. When it becomes golden caramel, I pour on top fresh cream melted with butter. I keep stirring. This is very important, guys. And I remove from the stove and it's still hot. I added 150 gram white chocolate, pinch of salt. This is really rich toffee. The consistency you can control by adding more or less cream. And this right away. This is perfect for praline or bonbon. I hope you enjoy watching my channel. This is dictionary, you will keep it always. Don't work harder, just work smarter.